What's up everybody, welcome back to a new video on Fantom. Wanted to give you my thoughts, wanted to do a full update on this. I covered this 2 days ago I believe, but correct me if I'm wrong. I covered this on Sunday when Fantom was also showing some momentum right here. Alright, so I still remember that someone in the comments said that I was that I'm always a bit late with my videos, that I always make a video after crypto is already bullish. Which I partially agree with, all right? Let me be completely honest. Usually when I make videos and when I take trades, what I'm looking for is cryptos that have momentum. So you need some sort of previous movement to gauge that momentum. But the thing with Fantom, and that's also what I said in the video, is the most interesting part is that Fantom broke this downtrend right here, which I'll delete right now, and then gained strong momentum. So what that can lead to is you broke a downtrend, you're gaining momentum, then that can lead to a reversal. All right, and that was already the case on Sunday. Like you had this strong open interest increase, and that's why I made it. So yes, I was late in some sense, but what I talked about was mainly this bullish breakout. All right, so that's also what I wanted to talk about in this video. I think Fantom is getting very interesting. I do want to start off by saying that look, the success of Fantom, it really does depend on Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin over the course of yesterday was quite weak. That had its effect on Fantom. Not much, but you know, Fantom was quite bullish and it did not rally up higher because of that, I think. And apart from that, I mean, you can also see right now that Bitcoin has found quite a strong touch right here, and that's also helping Fantom right here. So I do think, look, what we're aiming for is a breakout above 95 cents. Is what I think. $1 is also still a respected resistance level, but ultimately 95 cents right here, as you can see, is I think technically a stronger level, while $1 is psychologically a stronger level. And we are actually gaining strong momentum right here. All right, so if we're gaining momentum like this and we can get those technical bullish breakouts, for me that's enough. So that's ultimately what we are waiting for, but the success and the probability of that breakout depends on how Bitcoin will perform today, right? So keep that in mind. But Fantom on its own is actually still doing great. Total value locked over the last couple of days, of course, together with the price, has been going up. I do think that there's a bit of a divergence, so this is not fully related to the price. Daily active addresses, daily transactions, not much to see there. DEX volumes also not. But I do think that Fantom has potential here, and that's also because Andre has been tweeting quite a lot again. And like I said, even though I think fundamentally Fantom is still lagging behind a bit, even though the total value locked is pretty good, but fundamentally it's lagging behind. But purely technically, it looks good. All right, like I said in the last video, what I said is that if we break above 90 and 95 cents here, then the structure is actually bullish. All right, then all of a sudden you're in an uptrend like this with momentum. So then it's most likely it will continue up to 1.05 and 1.15. So I'm sticking with that. Now, does that mean that I'm 100% taking a trade once we break above 95 cents? No, not necessarily, because I do want to see some sort of bullish confirmation again from Bitcoin, like some sort of a bullish breakout above 71,000, for example. So if we cannot get that, then this remains risky with $1 as a resistance as well. But I do think that it's most likely we will continue to go up. So that might be contradictory. But I find a lot of things most likely. That doesn't mean that I take them all as trades. All right. So if you look at the structure right now, we have flipped the EMAs. The open interest is increasing, and we're probably going to get a bullish breakout right here. So I think it's most likely that we will get that breakout and rally higher. But wait for the breakout. All right. If for some reason Bitcoin starts dumping again and we do not close above 95 cents, then we're not bullish, because that breakout is absolutely fundamental. So then we're not bullish and we're just back into a consolidation like this. Also a possibility. I don't think it's most likely, but keep that in mind. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know on Fantom for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.